Today I'll show you how to make a previous checkpoint button and a checkpoint arrow system. The arrow will hover above the next checkpoint and guide the player through the obby. Players will also be able to go back to previous checkpoints. I've also updated the script, so make sure to use the one in the description below. Insert a wedge part into the workspace. Rotate the wedge so the pointed side faces downward. Feel free to customize the wedge however you want afterwards. Set the size to 244. In the Properties tab, change. Anchored gives true. Can't collide gives false. Can't touch gives false. Rename the wedge to arrow. Go to Starter Player, open Starter Player Scripts, and insert a local script inside Starter Player Scripts. Go to Starter GUI and insert a screen GUI. Inside the screen GUI, insert a text button and customize it however you want. For example, you can use as the button text. Insert a local script inside the text button. Go to Replicated Storage. Insert a remote event and rename it to Previous Checkpoint. That's it for this tutorial. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Roblox Studio tutorials.